Alright, here's the bathroom. I don't think I can turn the light on, so it's just the camera light. There's the skylight. There's the drywall. There's the tub. And there's where we took that top part out. There's William.
Tunnel.
It's not a tunnel. This is our bathroom.
Bathroom.
There it is. William, can you say hi? William, say hi, Lauren. Lauren, hi. Come on. Let's go see Emily. What's Emily doing?
Daddy.
Emily, are you coloring?
Yeah.
Emily, can you say hey, Lauren?
Hello.
Look, say hey, Lauren.
Hello.
Emily, say hey, Lauren.
Hi.
That's what Billy's doing. Say bye-bye, Lauren.
Bye-bye.
Emily, show Lauren how you can sing your ABCs real quick.
A, B, C, F, G, E, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, C, D, D, S, C, D, T.
Now I...
She's standing right next to me.
All right, say bye-bye.
Here, come here. Come here.